wait 1 second. Look at the camera.
Tess, what's the matter? You sad?
Yeah.
How come? Why are you sad? Because
Wipe the sweater off.
Because there's no sleeves?
Yeah.
You want to put your hands through?
Yeah.
There's no sleeves on a poncho, though.
First, let's do this video, and then Daddy give it to me, and I'll get it when we're.
Oh, show her there's no sleeves.
Look, is it supposed to be right here? The sleeve? There's no. Me.
There's no sleeves, Tess. Is that okay?
Me.
What do you want to do? What do you want? Tell me what you want.